Hi, Super Seesaw teachers. This is Alyssa Deese, and I wanted to show you a little bit about the new views for activities for students. So I am logged in as Spider-Man in this sample class, and I can see that I have activities, and my inbox says I have one notification. If the student taps or clicks, they will be able to then also tap or click on notifications and see here, teacher Mrs. Deese has sent back your work for review. They can click on that and it will show exactly which activity has been sent back for them to review. And from this place they can edit it. But also, here in the activities, now there are three parts over here. There is to do, in progress, and done. The number here 2 means that there are two things that are not in the done part. They're either in progress and they also show up as to do. So first I'm going to check here on in progress at the item that my teacher has sent back to me. I can tap finish response and I can see that my teacher left me a little video message here. So I'm going to click on that to see what I might need to know to do to finish this assignment.
Hi there. It looks like you need to go back and check on page 3 and do this assignment. When you have finished, tap the green check mark to turn it in.
Okay, so I can go click over to page 3 and see that I actually, as the student, left that blank. Let's say I filled in and tapped the green check. Now in my activities, it will no longer be here in progress. In the journal view, I'll be able to see as a student that it's waiting for teacher approval. So back to the activities here in to do, this is an activity that has been assigned to me and I can go through and finish that. I don't have any more in progress, and now I can also see the ones that are done, and this also includes the one that I have turned in for my teacher. Alright, I'm going to flip over to the teacher view here. So now I'm in this same sample class, but this time I am acting as the teacher. And when I go to review, there is Spider-Man's response to the math, and I can approve it, delete it, which would send it back to their activities feed in to do without any of the work that they have done at all. They would be starting all the way over. Or I can click send back. If I click send back, then it will become a draft for the student to see. And so as the teacher in the journal view, I can, in the activities, as a teacher in the activities tab, when I look at this lesson, I can see that there is one that is a draft for Spider-Man here. Okay? And then back over here as the student. Now again, here I am as the student. I get that notification. That tells me that the teacher has sent something back, and it is, Ms. Deese has sent back your work for review, and it has returned to my list of things to do and also in progress. I hope that's helpful as you're getting started with your school year.